Hi everyone and good morning. Pat here with Advanced RV Centers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're out here in beautiful Okeechobee, Florida. Couldn't ask for a nicer weather day. This cool weather has arrived, and what better time to go camping, right? Anyways, here we have a really unique travel trailer. It's a Forest River Hemisphere GLX model 322Bh for bunkhouse. This unit has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 full baths, that is. 50 amp unit with 2 rooftop ACs. Really unique floor plan. It's got electric stabilizers. I don't have them down at the moment, just for demonstration purposes here in my video. Very clean unit, guys. It still smells new. It's had very little light use. Roof, awnings, tires, everything's excellent. This thing is camp ready. That's something you're gonna have to start working on. Tires are date code 2022. It's got nice aluminum wheels on there, as you can see. Paint and body condition, decals, everything. I tell you, between a 1 and a 10, it's a solid 9, only because it needs a wash. And it's not brand new, but it was well taken care of. 2 slides here. Wait till you see the inside. Hope I'm not going too fast. It's got electric stabilizers in the rear also, just so you know, just like I showed you in the front. Electric awning. I've walked the roof. The roof is excellent. It's the other side of your storage box. As you can see, it's all aluminum framing. '19 Forest River Hemisphere GLX, and that's a 322Bh model. Let's take you inside. Okay. Now, when I got it, all these furniture was covered and protected. Really shows you how people care about their stuff. Immediately to your right, upon entering, you have a nice big closet. All the couches are in good shape. All the upholstery's intact. Fireplace, TV, radio. There you have your refrigerator, nice and clean, stainless steel unit. 3-burner cooktop by Furrion oven down below. Microwave oven. Nice big sink. It still smells new in this thing. So here's your forward master bed and master bath. Toilet, full shower, queen size bed. Dining table, makes a booth. This is a more than likely a jackknife sleeper. Kind of hard to open. My hand right now, sorry. So 2, 4, 6, you could probably sleep 8 in here. 6 comfortably. Let me see, 2, 4, 6, yeah, 8. Rear bedroom. A bunk room where this bunk will fold up, and then you can just have a sofa sleeper for 2 people. There's your vanity. Separate bathroom, full shower. Very impressive. I like it. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out. My number is 561-719-9774. We'll talk to you soon. Happy camping.